I have a confession to make. I avoided AI at first because I thought it was way too complicated. Imagine coding, robots, confusing jargon. You know what I mean. But it was far from the truth. Here's what it's really like. Tools like ChatGPT are as easy to use as Google. You don't have to be technical, just have some curiosity. The first time I asked ChatGPT to write a short email for me, I was blown away. It was simple, it was fast. I thought, wow, I can do this. If AI feels overwhelming, remember, it's not about being an expert. It's about starting small and building up, getting your confidence. And that will take a little bit of time, but you can do it each step of the way. It's day 3 of the Daily Spark. Subscribe and stay with us for the journey. Let us know what you think. Come with us. Let's get more confident with AI.